Hey, so we just got out of Lowe's here, and one of the guys I work with was like, hey, can you grab me some pruners? It's like, not a problem. And I ended up walking out with this guy. Man, let me see here. I'm trying to turn the camera around. I don't know how the hell. Well, anyways, so check it out. It's a Corona quick collector comfort gel. Ooh. So it's supposed to pick up nuts and acorns and similar pesky stuff like that. We have a house right now that, man, it honestly, got neglected for quite some time, and there is acorns just everywhere, man. I don't think, I would honestly estimate it's way more than a ton weighing of acorns. But anyways, so we're out here. We're gonna test this guy. This is brand new. I'm not a sponsor of Corona by any ways, but here we go. Oh, there's one. Wow. So how many we got there? Let's see if we'll pick up a cigarette though. Oh. And I guess this thing's average now. Man, it's pretty efficient. It's not one quick swipe and everything's up, but surprisingly that actually does work. And I felt like a pretty big lame checking out with this. And so the easy eye, you're just supposed to move this and it now falls through. Wow. Well, there's that, y'all. There's a little testimonial there. Does it work? Yeah, it does. I think if you were to do something like put 5 or 6 of these on like some kind of even surface, like a lawnmower setup almost, but just have 5 or 6 of them running right next to each other. Damn it, my receipt. Oh no. I think that would be somewhat efficient, but if you got a huge property